The purpose of this recording is to learn Morse code through listening. On the YouTube channel, it will show the letters and the dots and dashes, but for those of you who are just wanting to listen, like I'm going to be listening while I'm at work and my hands are busy, then I don't need to watch the screen or write down the dots and dashes to memorize. We're going to start with the high frequency letters, the ones that are easy to remember, like E, that's only one dot, and the letter T, that's only one dash. First, I'm going to have you listen to the Morse code, say the name of the letter, and then repeat the letter in Morse code. That's how they'll be introduced. And when we go over small words, the letters will be played in Morse code slowly and then repeated at normal speed before I tell you what the word is, and then it will repeat again. So once you know the letter or the word, the Morse code that comes right after will be a repeat. So let's get started. E, T. Two dots and two dashes are I and M as in Martha. I, M. And now to review, see if you can remember the letters. I, T, E, M. Three dots, S, three dashes, O. S, O. And we'll review. S, O, E, M, I, T, O, S. The most common thing you'll hear in Morse code, the universal distress signal, SOS. Four dots, H. And to review again, S, H, E, O, I, T, M. Let's do some simple words. And again. The. Another word. Again. She. Again. He. A little larger word. Time. Again. Shoe. Last word. me.